Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about benefits of kiwi fruit for health and pregnant women. Benefits: kiwi fruit is very abundant and very good for health. The so-called kiwi fruit comes from China, and from there began to be cultivated this fruit. Round-shaped kiwi fruit that is slightly oval, with brownish skin and fresh green fruit flesh. Kiwi fruit included in the grain-like soft texture wine and lots of water. The content of vitamin C is a mainstay of this fruit, helps the health of the body. For more details about the benefits of kiwi fruit, we will discuss in this video. Benefits of kiwi fruit for health. Number 1. Kiwi fruit is pretty good calories. Comparable to grapes. 100 gram of kiwi berry contains 61 calories. Nonetheless, it has many antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and healthy fiber. Number 2. Excellent source of soluble dietary fiber, 3.8 gram per 100 gram of fruit or 10% of RDA, which branded it as a good bulk laxative. Dietary fiber helps protect the mucosa of the large intestine by reducing exposure time to toxins and also binding to cancer-causing chemicals in the colon. Number 3. This fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C antioxidants. Provides about 154% of DI, recommended daily intake. Consumption of foods rich in vitamin C helps the body develop resistance to infectious agents and scavenge harmful free radicals. Number 4. Kiwi fruit contains vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and antioxidant flavonoids are very healthy like carrot, lutein, and xanthine. Vitamin K has a potential role in building bone mass by promoting osteoblastic activity in bone. It has also made a function in patients with Alzheimer's disease by limiting the damage to neurons in the brain. The total antioxidant strength measured regarding oxygen radical uptake capacity, ORAC, of kiwi fruit, gold, raw, is 1210 mol/100 g. Number 5. Research studies have shown that certain chemicals in the kiwi function serve as a blood-thinning function similar to aspirin. Thus, it helps prevent the formation of clots inside the blood vessels and protects them from the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 6. The seeds of kiwi fruit are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Research studies show that consumption of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease, stroke, and help prevent the development of ADHD, autism, and other developmental disorders in children. Number 7. Fresh kiwi fruit is a healthy source of potassium electrolytes. 100 gram contains 312 milligrams or 7% of recommended daily electrolytes. Potassium is an essential component of cell and body fluids that help regulate heart rate and blood pressure by fighting the malefic effects of sodium. Number 8. This fruit also contains minerals in right quantities like manganese, iron, and magnesium. Manganese used in the human body as a cofactor for powerful antioxidant enzymes, superoxide dismutase. Magnesium is an essential bone reinforcement mineral such as calcium. Here are the various benefits of kiwi for our bodies. In addition to this delicious fruit, eaten was also very much benefit. Number 1. Prevention of hypertension and heart disease. Kiwi contains potassium minerals that help decrease blood pressure, and magnesium that maintain heart health. It helps to reduce the symptoms of blood clots that cause cardiovascular disease. Therefore, it is delicious if you can consume this fruit on a regular basis. Number 2. Improve immunity. Vitamin C content in kiwi is excellent as the benefits of other fruits, such as citrus fruit benefits, lemon fruit benefits, and benefits of apples. Vitamin C helps immune-fighting diseases like flu and supports the healing process. Kiwis with their electrolyte content can replace other minerals such as electrolytes. Very good to generate stamina after undergoing activity, a lot of energy. Number 3. Improved brain quality. Amino acids contained in kiwi fruit that increases the ability to think. Fish often give amino acids, but for those who do not eat meat, kiwi fruit can replace this role. So all the nutrients that the body needs can be meat for anyone. Number 4. Increase stamina. Vitamin C contained in kiwi is very high. The benefits of vitamin C itself is believed to be a massive role to the stamina of the body in humans. Number 5. Lose weight. Kiwi has a high fiber content that does not encourage insulin because glucose to excessive sweetness. Thus the kiwi can launch digestion, so healthy for your diet. Number 6. Cleaning toxins in the body. The fiber contained in kiwi fruit is beneficial to clean the various toxins contained in the intestines, especially for those of you who consume foods made from high preservatives. Number 7. Very good for skin health. Kiwi contains high enough vitamin E. The benefits of vitamin E itself is very good for human skin health that can help smooth human skin. Number 8. Fruit free from residue. Kiwi fruit is one of the fruit with a high level of security, meaning that the fruit is free of pesticide residues that are very harmful to health. Number 9. Eye health. This fruit is a very high content of lutein and zeaxanthin, which both of these substances are natural chemicals found in the human eye. Kiwi fruit is also highly recommended for pregnant women. Benefits of kiwi fruit can also help pregnant women, and sometimes pregnant women rather forget need for an early fetus that grows in the womb. Kiwi provides one of the useful substances for them, namely folic acid. Folic acid is excellent for fetal growth and avoids congenital disabilities. Also, the kiwi helps the absorption of iron. Iron is essential to support the growth of the baby at the beginning of pregnancy. Consuming kiwi for those of you who undergo the pregnancy program. Very good because women sometimes do not realize for pregnancy in the first weeks. Benefits. Kiwi fruit can also provide prevention problems on the digestion of pregnant women. Pregnant women who consume a lot of foods containing carbohydrates and more protein will make the problem constipation. It can keep metabolism better before it gets worse. How? It turns out the kiwi has complete nutrition for the health of the body. Happy trying kiwi fruit. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.